Today I want to share with you 15 plus faceless YouTube channel niches that are guaranteed to make you money. These channels are primed and proven to not only grow big, but to make a lot of money. So let's dive right in. So let's start big. One of the first faceless niches that you can make a lot of money in this year is the weight loss and fitness niche. And before you say it, no, you don't have to be an influencer with six-pack abs to make a lot of money in this niche, because there are channels out there crushing it in this niche without ever being on camera. And all they're doing is taking simple B-roll footage from sites like Storyblocks or Canva and many other sites just like that to create B-roll with good video scripts and titles. And you can find a ton of videos on my channel about how to do those things. Another extremely profitable niche for this year is video editing tutorials. All right, so look, growing on all the social media platforms right now is absolutely blowing up. And video is leading the way, whether it's YouTube Shorts or TikTok or Instagram, you name it, video is king right now. Well, with the need to create videos to blow up on social media comes the need to learn how to video edit. And guys, there are so many tools popping up right now that are absolutely trending. In fact, if you watch my video on how to find these trending niches, then you already know this, but there are so many tools that are popular right now and so many new tools being created because they're all creating or implementing AI features, right? So video editing tutorials are going to be huge this year. So learning a software like Adobe Premiere, DaVinci Resolve, or CapCut is an amazing opportunity to teach people a skill that is must know, which is video editing. And you can make a lot of money with this because you can sell multiple things from a channel like this, whether it's a subscription to a service like CapCut or Camtasia or any other video editing tool, or AI tools that help them edit videos faster, or to create your own courses and digital products, things like templates, like video editing templates or sound effects packs, or even online courses that go deeper than the videos on your channel. This is a massive one. Next up, you have graphic design tutorials. And guys, if you haven't noticed, there's a ton of channels popping up in this because it can make a lot of money. And people are not only doing this without showing their face, but they're also doing it with AI voiceovers, and they're simply just recording their screen as they're creating graphics, creating AI voiceovers, and never showing their face. And people are doing this with tools like Canva, Photoshop, Figma, Illustrator, you name it. Any graphic design tool that is popular right now is primed for making a lot of money this year with a faceless YouTube channel. Okay, another one that is absolutely blowing up right now is project management and productivity tools. Things like Notion, things like Trello, Asana, ClickUp, Todoist, right guys? There's a lot of influencers in this space and talking about productivity because we all live in a busy world and we want to be more efficient at everything that we do. So a faceless YouTube channel on how to do that can be primed to make a lot of money this year. So teaching people how to use things like Notion or Trello or Asana, or even AI tools like ChatGPT, for example, to increase people's productivity. Guys, this is going to be massive. Okay, next up, we have a big one, which is social media platforms. And I don't just mean creating a channel on social media. What I mean is picking one of the popular social media channels right now to build a channel around, right? Whether that is building a faceless YouTube channel on Instagram growth or TikTok content creation or LinkedIn for businesses, you name it, you pick a platform that is trending right now and build a faceless YouTube channel on it and teach people simple tips and tricks. You know, how to create Instagram Reels, how to make money from Instagram, how to come up with popular posts for Instagram, how to create content that goes viral on TikTok. Creating training tips around topics like that is proven. People are blowing up doing this and they are making a lot of money doing it. The next niche is all around building communities, right? So there are a ton of platforms blowing up right now. School is one of them because Alex Hormozy is a beast and people are jumping all over School. Discord is huge right now. And community building in general, guys, is a huge niche. And if you can teach people how to grow a community that they can monetize and make a lot of money, well, in turn, you make a lot of money. So learn one of those platforms inside and out and teach people how to do it with your faceless YouTube channel. All right, guys, another one that is huge right now are channels that are focused around investing or personal finance and even accounting. As boring as that sounds, yes, accounting is blowing up right now. Okay, not literally, but people are making a lot of money creating channels about accounting. So if you have an accounting background, you know how to use software like QuickBooks or Peachtree or something like that, you can create a faceless YouTube channel around that. And on top of that, guys, investing and personal finance, those are huge topics, and the CPM for those is outrageous. You can make a lot of money in these niches. And on top of that, sell training, courses, products, that kind of stuff. So think about things like stock market investing, cryptocurrency, personal financing tips like teaching people how to budget their money. And guys, all of these things, you can sell digital products, templates, courses, all that kind of stuff to make a lot of money. So to summarize, guys, there are a lot of categories this year that are primed to make a lot of money with faceless YouTube channels. And there's one common denominator amongst all the niches that I just shared with you. And that is they are education-based channels. And guys, education-based channels have the potential to make a lot of money even with a small audience. And the best part, you don't have to have a certain amount of subscribers or views to make a lot of money in those niches, because you can sell products, templates, courses, all that kind of stuff from day one. And if you want to learn all about that stuff, guys, subscribe to this channel and take a look back through the videos on this channel, because I cover a lot of those things just like that.